Stuck on affiliate sites? I was too, until this AI tool changed everything. Watch my real test. From zero to a live site in under 2 minutes. Let's dive in. Imagine this. You're juggling a job, dreaming of passive income from YouTube niches. But it's tough. Hours spent writing reviews, no traffic, and tech headaches. I felt scattered, with 0 commissions. You're in Facebook groups, searching for a simple fix. Then I discovered Affiliate Real AI. It's a game changer, one dashboard for everything. Just type in tech gadgets and watch it create a mini site with human-like reviews and videos. It even integrates JView links and boosts your SEO with backlinks. No more grinding alone. Check out this step-by-step demo. Quick builds made easy. One user said, traffic started flowing, totally worth it. Key features, no-code designs, analytics, and bonus pages for leads. It scales effortlessly to multiple sites. And the best part? Watching the AI work is both entertaining and efficient. Could you build 5 sites this week? Absolutely. But hurry, $50 off with code, and this launch special won't last long. Don't miss out. Proof? Beginners like us are reporting smoother starts every day. My test site, it's already up and tracking visitors. Low cost, just $35 one time with a 14-day guarantee. Click the link now. Full disclosure, I earn a commission per FTC. Link in the description. Grab it before it's gone. Got questions? Comment below and like for more AI tips.